In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and live stream in 4K OBS Studio tutorial and setup guide. Start by opening OBS Studio. We'll get your canvas, output, and performance settings aligned so your streams and recordings look crisp and stay stable. Head to Settings, then Video. Set the base, also called canvas, resolution to 3840 by 2160. This defines the working area where you place your sources, so matching it to 4K ensures your camera, screen capture, and overlays sit on a true 4K canvas. Next, set the output or scaled resolution to 3840 by 2160 as well. This tells OBS to actually send or save a 4K image. If you scale up or down here, you'll change the final quality and system load, so keeping both at 4K preserves sharpness. Choose your frame rate under common FPS values. Go with 30 for lower bandwidth and smoother performance, or 60 if you want extra motion clarity, like for gameplay. Just remember, 60 frames per second requires more GPU, CPU power, and significantly more bitrate. Now move to the output section and switch output mode to advanced. This unlocks the controls we need for 4K. Under the streaming tab, select a hardware encoder if your system supports it. A hardware encoder offloads the work to your GPU, keeping your stream smoother and your CPU freer for scenes and sources. If hardware isn't available, you can use a software encoder, but watch your CPU usage. Set rate control to CBR, constant bit rate, so your stream stays consistent for platforms and viewers. For 4K, choose a bit rate between 20,000 and 50,000 kilobits per second. The higher you go, the better the detail, but you'll need enough upload speed and platform support. As a rule of thumb, have comfortable headroom above your chosen bitrate to avoid buffering. Switch to the recording tab. Set the recording format to MP4 or MKV. MP4 is widely compatible, while MKV is safer against file corruption during crashes and can be remuxed to MP4 later. Use a high bitrate for high-quality 4K recordings. Recording isn't limited by streaming platforms, so you can push quality higher if your storage and hardware allow. Go to audio and set the audio bitrate to 320 for maximum sound quality. Clear audio makes as big a difference as sharp video. Click Apply, then OK to lock in your settings. Back in the main window, create a scene and add your sources like display capture, window capture, camera, and microphones. If something doesn't fill the screen, right-click it, choose transform, then fit to screen to align it perfectly. When you're ready, click start streaming or start recording. That's it, your 4K setup is good to go.